Yes, guys, so apart from making videos concerning herbs, we also prepare for people, so you can always call on us. Okay, as you can see, all these are herbs that we want to prepare, so we prepare herbs on different ailments. Okay, so we prepare on different ailments. As you can see, we have a lot of things here, okay, to prepare. So you can always call on us. Okay, just call on us and we prepare for you. So we normally do it based on orders. Okay, so once you order, we prepare your stuff for you. Okay, so that's it. Don't fail to call on us. Okay, we have everything. Don't forget, this is where we make video based on natural recipe, herbs and spices. So whatever that you are facing, just a call away. Okay, just a call away and we'll get you covered. Okay, so thank you guys for always watching our videos. Thank you for using our recipe, and we believe it will definitely work for you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you all in my next video.